All right, Fujitec. Nice, Ella. Oh, this is an awesome Ella. This is an awesome elevator.
Look at the buttons. They light up
I
blue.
know. This is nice.
This is the awesome elevator.
For the nicest one in the mall.
Nice motor.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Oh, what do you know? We got somebody going up.
Of course we do. All right, let them in.
All right. You guys going up to 3?
Yes, thank you.
We're elevator photographers.
Yeah.
I was about to ask, what are y'all doing?
Yeah, it's a hobby.
It's a long story too.
A hobby?
Yeah.
I think we should end it too, since I know.
Gosh, I have low battery, so we should intend it. I did change the battery on here.
You guys just like up and down?
Yeah.
Okay, bye.
All right. Thank you.
Too.
All right. Gosh, my battery's gonna deplete any moment now.
Yeah, we should probably end on 2. Especially since it's the, yeah. Which means we're also getting off at the gap level. It's really cool.
I know. Nice buttons, and that's it.